subscribers. They will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you couldn't post something on Instagram, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So just if you use Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And if you still have the server, so you can also just try to reinstall your app. So just remove it by tapping on it, and after just tap on left of the top of the left, you will see a close button. Just tap on it and submit removing this app. So after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram and just download this app and install it again on your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.